I know I haven't made a ride-along video with me for a while. So, doing a ride-along video in the winter storm that's hitting us right now. It's supposed to get approximately 8 to 14 inches of snow. And I'm just videotaping my ride home from the grocery store. Should be pretty entertaining, pretty fun. Okay, that doesn't need to be on now. Okay, I can turn that down to 1. As you can see, the snow is already on the ground. I'm sorry, this video is probably going to be a little boring because I can't play the radio because of the new YouTube terms of service. Content ID matching. I think it's kind of ridiculous. Like, I barely can monetize my videos anymore. And I've been trying to get, like, I get all these invitations from all these networks that want to network with my YouTube page, but I don't know which one to trust or which one to even use. I've been getting an invite from RPM Network. I have no idea what the hell that is. Then I got an invite from this network called N4 Geek, something like that. M4 Geek. I tried submitting my information through there. Still nothing. So I'm hoping that I can link up with a network where geeks and nerds, that's a network out there for geeks and nerds where I can be able to share my fandom, basically, like, of my geekiness and my nerdness. I'm not even sure if there's a network out there for that, because I do video blogs. I also do I also stream games. I also talk about games. Other than games, I'm also a costume prop maker. I make my own costumes. I'm actually working on my Halo Spartan armor from Halo 4. Let's see if I can stop here. Yep. So yeah, I'm working on that. And totally in the wrong lane, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm working on that. Okay, so yeah, I'm working on that because I'm hopefully trying to get it done or semi-done before April 2014, because that's when the Penny Arcade Expo, PAX East 2014, will be in Boston. So, hoping to go to that. Still waiting on a friend to see if he'll let me buy his pass off of him. He has an extra 3-day pass. So, still hoping. So yeah, I'll when I get a chance to, I'll try to make a video while I'm working on my armor, but right now in my studio it's kind of hard because I don't have a tripod and I'm only using a flip camera. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh man, sliding all over the place. Just a quick note for anybody that's watching my videos. If you do not know how to drive in the snow, I definitely suggest you take a winter driving course. It definitely will help you prepare for driving in the winter. Also, it will help you if you skid out on black ice or any type of ice or snow, like light snow right now. It'll teach you how to brake, when to speed up, that sort of thing. It doesn't really cost anything if you go through the right people. I took my training through a military program, so it was basically civilian military, which is civil air patrol basically. Yeah, I took my winter driving course through there. So yeah. So anyways, yeah. So I've been working on my Spartan armor from Halo. So far, what I have done now is I got the Mark 6. The Mark 6. Mark 6 Master Chief helmet right now. I got that finished. It's all resined right now. I'm gonna work on bondoing it soon. I also have the boot made, the ODST shoulder pad made, and that's pretty much it where I got so far. And I pretty much am gonna finish making the rest of it. I just wanted to get some of the stuff out of the way for now. Now, as for the rest of my armor, I'm hopefully going to have it done before April, partially done where I can actually wear it. But it probably won't have any color on it yet, so I'll probably be wearing a cloak, probably my Jedi cloak or something. Kind of make it like a Master Chief Halo trailer from Xbox One Halo trailer. Yeah, so stay tuned for some more videos. I'm definitely going to try to make some more videos of me just talking about random things like video games, sci-fi, fantasy, what TV shows I've been watching, predictions, stuff like that. So, yeah, just stay tuned, and I will be sure to make some more videos. So we have arrived at my apartment, so nice and safe and sound. And we are here. Okay. I need to get a proper stand for this thing. Alrighty. Oh yeah, as for right now, this dashboard is going to be a different color when it gets warmer. I'm gonna replace the black with something else. So. Alright guys, this is Obi Jeff, catch you later.